Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Welcome to Hallo-week. Today is day number 4 of our Hallo-week series celebrating Halloween wreaths. Don't forget, keep coming back for the next 5 days. I think it's how many days we have left? No, today is day number 4, so we have 4 days left. We are smack dab in the middle. So keep coming back for the next 4 days for all the episodes in this series. Plus, you can click the playlist right down below, and that's going to take you to all of the videos. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I made. I'm going to be using a piece of foam board, but you can use cardboard for this project if you want. Also, I'm going to be using this cotton rope from the Dollar Tree. Dollarama has them as well if you want to use them. Some scrap felt or this new felt you can find as well. I'm just going to be using my regular crafting utensils for this project. I first started off with my foam board and I just created a half circle with a little rectangle at the bottom, and all I'm going to do is use my X-Acto knife and cut that base shape right out. This is going to be the shape for our ghost. We'll use this as our wreath base. Then I'm going to take the rope and I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. So I'm folding it 2 times, and this is one full piece of rope that I'm using, and I'm going to create that little ghost shape. So this is going to be the outside of the ghost shape. Then I'm going to take a second piece and I'm going to fold that over 4 times, and that's going to be the inner portion of the ghost wreath. Now I'm going to take that frame, lay out the outer pieces of our ghost outline with that rope, and then I'm going to place the inner piece right on the inside there. So again, this is using 2 full pieces of that cotton rope. Once it's all together, I'm just going to take apart that center piece and I'm going to glue with my hot glue gun that right into the center portion. Now for this, you want to make sure that the pieces are nice and close together like I'm showing you here. And I'm going to start on the center and then I'm going to work my way out. So for this, again, we're just starting in the center, gluing that piece down. I'm going to take my next round, add a little hot glue as you see here, piece that together, make sure it's nice and tight and close together, and I'm just going to continue on. Once I finish everything, I just decided I wanted to add another strand on the outside. So this is a 3rd piece of that rope, and then I'm just going to cut the excess off. Then I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife, cut off the excess, lay it flat, and now I'm just going to start cutting off at the bottom those little rope ends. I'm going to do a little V shape. You can cut it totally straight if you want, or you can do a V shape like I'm doing here. However you want to cut it is totally up to you. I just like that V shape at the bottom. And once I have that all done, nicely trimmed off and nice and even, I'm going to unravel that rope right up to where the foam core is. And I'm just unraveling it. I will say this, I did love this project. It was really cute and really fun to make. I had a lot of fun making this project. And here we have our little ghost all ready. Well, almost all ready for our door. My final steps is I'm going to cut out some eyes and a little mouth, and I'm just going to hot glue that right on top of that cotton rope. And there is our little ghost all ready for our front door. To hang it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a half piece of pipe cleaner, bend it in half, and then I'm just going to add a little hot glue right at the end and on top, and I'm just cut out a little couple of pieces of felt just to lay that on top and clean it up just a little bit, and that's how we can hang our little ghost on our door. Now, you can totally stop here and just do one, but I decided I had so much fun with this, I'm going to make a little family of these little ghosts, and I created a little Mr. and a little Mrs. and a little one here to create a little ghost family. And all I'm going to do is just glue those right on top of each other. And for the little Mrs. and the little one, I just did the exact same procedure. You can see I used cardboard for the Mrs. and I used cardboard for the little one as well. You can use foam core like I said before, and I just glued them all together. And once it's all dry, our little family of ghosts has been created. How cute are these little guys? And of course, here they are, all in their glory, just ready to smile and say boo to anybody who comes to your front door. This is them hanging on my studio door. I just love them, and I'm totally smiling when I look at them, and I hope you are as well. This concludes day number 4 of my Hallo-week series. Don't forget, the playlist is right down below. Click the playlist and it'll take you to all the other episodes. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.